Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we're moving into a new section, and that section is all about branching and conditions. So every day of our online lives, we make decisions: log into our email or not, access Facebook or not, to continue, click this button, buy a product or don't buy a product. In programming, these decisions are called branching. Think of branching as a decision to take one road over another. Let's take a look at a quick example. Using our newly acquired knowledge of the input statement, let's create a password checker. So as you can see here, I've entered in our usual comments, and we're starting off with a print statement. To continue, please log in. Okay, simple enough. Close our double quotes, close our bracket. Now we'll enter in a comment using the if statement. Perfect. Now, so let's create a new variable called password, which will hold the user's inputted password. Input. Please enter your password. Okay, so far nothing out of the blue. Now, if password, and we're using two equal signs, and in Python that means if the password is identical, so not just similar, not just almost, absolutely identical. So that includes lowercase, number of characters, everything. So if our password is identical to Tony, print access granted. Nice, okay, open sesame. Access granted. Don't forget our closing quote here. Or else, don't forget the colon there. Print incorrect. Please try again. Okay, close our double quotes, close our brackets. Let's have a look and run this program, but first we have to save it. Okay, so here we are. To continue, please log in. Please enter your password. Let's go Tony. Access granted. Very, very nice. Okay, let's run it again. Please enter your password. Let's try Frank. Incorrect, please try again. This example has a couple of new concepts, and in the next lecture we're going to be taking a much closer look. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.